Before we continue reading, we're going to review the questions that we need to answer. Number 3. Why did aristocrats and kings like legalism? And type your answer in the blue text box. Number 4. How were the ideas of Confucius and Laozi similar? How are they different? And type your answer in the blue text box. Many aristocrats supported legalism because it emphasized force. Under legalism, rulers did not have to think of the needs or wishes of their people. The ideas led to harsh punishments for even small crimes. Chinese life. Chinese society was made up of 4 social classes. A social class is a group of people in a society with the same economic and social position. Chinese society. Aristocrats. Small number of people. Wealthy. Owned large plots of land and lived on large estates. Farmers. Most people. Worked on land owned by aristocrats. Paid rent in the form of crops. Paid taxes. Served as soldiers in wartime. Worked 1 month per year on public projects such as roads. Artisans. Skilled workers who made useful objects such as tools and silk cloth. Learned skills from fathers and taught them to sons. Merchants. Shopkeepers and traders. Lived in towns. Provided goods and services to aristocrats. Some wealthy, but not respected because merchants made money only for themselves.